Everybody turn around and look. It's too cold. Hello?
They won't even know it.
Danny, want to change? Give me change for 100.
He'll have enough change here for 100 for pretty soon, won't we?
I got a bill. I got that.
What do you think, 20?
Thanks, Jeff.
This
Thanks
is
for going on vacation, Jeff.
This is Sean Townsend. He's in 3rd place. Sales.
So who's going to win the fishing contest?
Right here.
I already paid him off.
That's huge.
We can see his eyes, Todd. One on each side of the boat.
Wow, that's massive. Sailfish.
You're kidding me.
Sail this close?
Holy shit.
This close in?
You filming this, Corey?
Yeah.
Wow.
What's your job? Hey, that's what I'm talking about.
Sailfish on it. Nice. Nice.
That's sweet. Come on, get your picture with him before he dies. We gotta get him back to the water. Give my $10 back.
Hold on, let me get my camera.
Look up, Todd. Look up.
Kissy, Todd, kissy. I think Todd got him $100. Woo!
Reel in. Sean's ready to go. Jeff's got a good hand this year. What do you think, Eric? Gonna win?
I'm ready to go.
Making these look.
Got a grouper already.
John's got the big one. There we go.
Big fish. Get him, Sean. Get out, boy.
Got a picture.
That's nice, Lord. Hold it up right next to you.
There you go. There you go.
Yes, his ass.
Oh, that's 3. Guess we're gonna cook them on the boat.
What's up?
They're trying to come up.
That's amberjack there.
Right.
Let's get a picture of that one.
Yeah! That's mine. See, I got him.
Hold him up next to you, Jeff. Hold it up next to you.
That might be the biggest bottom fish.
That's perhaps the biggest problem.
Okay.